Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get back to Google Business Profile if disabled. So if your Google Business Profile has been disabled, it means potential customer can't find you on search or on maps. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then log in to your Google Business Profile Manager and then check the status message. A disabled profile usually means Google detects a policy violation or suspicious activity. And after that, you have to identify the cause. Common causes include using an ineligible address such as P.O. Box, having a business name that contains promotional keyword and a duplicate listing, or incorrect categories. So, you want to go ahead and tap on Edit Profile and you want to go ahead and simply update your profile with accurate details. Use your registered business name, choose the right category, and ensure the address or service area meets the Google guidelines. Once done, you can go ahead and simply prepare supporting document like your business license, tax certificate, and resend a utility bill, and then clear photograph of your storefront or branded work vehicles. Once done, visit the official page of Google Business Profile, and then you want to go ahead and simply fill the form, upload your proof, and submit the request. After that, Google typically responds within 3 to 7 business days, and just like that, by fixing the root cause, providing strong documentation, and following Google's process, you can restore your profile and get your business back online. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.